Hey guys, I'm back again. I hope you've had a great weekend. This is Campaign 14's A box. It is a vitamin C sample A box. It's got a little more than samples and it does have some full-size products in it. Remember to comment below how you're doing and I'll get back with you and let you know what I think. And this A box, you can get them for $10 when you have a $40 Avon purchase. They're a great deal. The value of this one is $38. Right here on the back of the book. So, this is the Avon book this is in. If you're interested in anything that you see here, I will leave a contact down below where you can get these products. Okay, let's get into this box. I'm guilty. I've already filmed this once and my memory card died right in the middle of it. So we're trying again. Here's what it looks like on the inside. This would come wrapped in a orange wrapping that says a new, what does it say? Hold on. It's like a new vitamin C power serum. It says lip. It's their lipstick. So you could put this on and then slap your lipstick on it and your lips will be getting moisturized the whole time you're wearing your favorite lipstick. Can't pass that up. And it has a citrusy, orangey smell to it. Here's what it looks like. And I mean, you get a lot of product there. So there's that. Then we have a Craves Avon lip gloss in the color Strawberry. You guys know I don't like lip gloss, so I'm not going to open this one up. I'm going to put this aside for a giveaway. And then there's a new power serum. I'll open that one up and let you see. It's got a light tint to it. Can you see it there? This is for like your really, dry spots, some of your dark spotted areas where you need just a little extra love, you know what I mean? And then there's the Avon Anew Vitamin C Brightening Serum. That is this little bottle here. This is the sample size. This works wonders. I'm not going to open this up because I'd like to be able to give this to a subscriber, as like a giveaway to one of you guys. So I'm going to put that down here. That is everything that is in that A box. Don't forget to like. Okay? Subscribe. I really love doing this for you guys. Show me some love, please. And here's the book that it's in. Campaign 14, 2019. This is a little off the chart here, but see this? This is bubble bath. These are good sized bottles of bubble bath. I love this stuff. I give my little boys a bath in the lavender one and they sleep. It's a big deal when you've got a 5- and 3-year-old in your house. My favorite is this one right here. It's the vanilla scent. It smells wonderful. You get out and you smell wonderful. And you can get the body wash and everything else to go with it. So that's just a few of my favorite things from Avon. I like to show you guys what I think is neat or what I think is worth the dime. This is worth your dime. I love this stuff. I use this. It does work. You just have to remember to put it on every night before you go to bed. It's simple. You do see changes in 2 weeks, where most things say they're going to tell you changes in 2 weeks and it don't show you nothing. That's another one that I really like. let's see. Something else that I use. Find one more thing I use on a daily. All right, one more thing. I don't use it, but my husband does. This is their new cologne right here. It smells amazing, especially if you like pipe tobacco scented stuff. Love it. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for your time. I love you guys, and I will be back shortly. Bye.